thumb. Next I will create this send lifetime and accept lifetime. So send lifetime means, so in this particular time, date and year to this particular time, date and year, the key will be sent to the neighboring router, that is R3 router, and this particular time, year, month to this particular time, month, year, the key will be accepted from the neighboring router. In key 2 also we can mention this send lifetime and accept lifetime. Okay, exit. Now in R4 router can be connected to R3 router through the serial 0/2. So we can go to that particular interface serial 0/2. So the syntax for creating MD5 authentication is IP space authentication. Next, first of all we can mention the mode is MD5, so mode, then we can mention EAGRP and autonomous system number, then we can give the name of the mode is MD5 authentication. Enter. Next, IP space authentication. Next we can mention the key chain, so key hyphen chain, then EAGRP 100. so the name of the key chain is branch office. Enter. Do right to save this configuration. So branch office. Okay, now the neighbor relationship can be formed. We can check. Do show IP route. Yeah, still we cannot form a neighbor relationship, because we can check the router time. Show clock. Yeah, this is 1993 March 1 is a Monday and this is a time, but in MD5 authentication we can mention the time as first key can be used for 2014 midnight on Jan 1 to 2015 midnight on Jan 1. So in this time we can use key 1, and midnight on 2015 Jan 1 to infinity, that time we can use the key chain 2, but the time is 1993, so in this time we cannot mention any key, so it cannot form neighbor relationship. So we can set the clock. We can mention the time as 12:00:00. Then the day is I will given as 15, and month is May, and year is 2014. Okay, do right. Sorry, right. We can save this configuration. It will take few seconds to save. Yeah, it can be saved. We can check show clock. Yeah, now the date time is, this is on Tuesday, May 15, 2014. This is on time. Okay, so show IP route, still it will not form neighbor relationship. Yeah, because in R4 router also we can change the time, then only it forms the neighbor relationship. Show clock. So the time is the month here is 1993, so we can change. So here I will mention 5 o'clock. So it's 25th. Anytime we can give May 2014 to, yeah, so right. Okay, we can check the clock. Show clock May 25, 2014. Okay, now the neighbor relationship formed. Show IP route. Yeah, here we can see we got it. Yeah, in previously it will not form neighbor relationship. Here we can see this is an branch office routes only. We cannot learn any network from main office. After we can change this time into 2014, we can learn from main office. Okay, now the neighbor relationship can be can be established from R3 to R4, that is main office to branch office. So in both router I will configure as a time as on 2014. So in 2014 it will use key 1, that is Gautam. That key is used for form a neighbor relationship from R3 to R4. So after 2015 it will automatically use the key 2, that is Raj. Okay, so in this video tutorial we can see how to configure EHRP routing protocol using MD5 authentication. So in this topology, this is a main office and this is a branch office. In main office we can assign the IP address and configure EHRP routing protocol. In branch office also we can assign the IP address and we can configure EHRP routing protocol. So this is an entrance for main office and this is an entrance for branch office. So in these two router we can configure MD5 authentication for security purpose. So in MD5 authentication we can first of all create keychain on both routers. So the keychain should be different, that is not a problem, but key should be same. So each router we can create keychain and create a 2 key. Key 1 is Gautam and key 2 is Raj. So in key 1 we can mention the send lifetime and assert lifetime. So in this time, in this month, in this year to this time, this month, this year, will accept this key and send this key. So for assign key 1 as well as key 2. So after assigning that, we cannot receive any neighbor relationship because of router 3 and router 4 time is in 1993. The time is 1993 here. So that's why only it will not form neighbor relationship. After that we can assign, we can set the time, date, month and year. It will form the neighbor relationship.